What's up guys, Keysy back with another video, and today it's Friday, so you know what that means, 5-minute Friday. Let's put 5 minutes on the clock, somewhere in the corner, right around here, the bottom. But I just wanted to talk a little bit, probably be a little bit personal, a little bit raw, about just sucking at what you do. Just, you know, it's very, I feel that it's actually very important to suck at the thing that you really love doing, because without being bad at what you really love to do and want to improve, you will like never improve. You'll just keep thinking that you're better, you're like the best ever, and when you feel like or think that you're the best, that you're just not going to be working as hard enough. That I honestly believe. So in the beginning, you know, with this photography stuff, and to this day right now, I actually think that I suck at talking to the camera, making these YouTube videos, and I suck at taking photography, honestly. But without, you know, me realizing that I suck, then I would never improve. But now that I've really, it's always just been in the back of my head, just thinking, oh, you're not the best, but you do need to improve, because you always need to improve. You can never just, like I said, if you feel like you're the best, you will never go up to the next level. And that's what I think is really, really important. Just going above and beyond, be the next chapter in your life. I've just had that realization, just being true to yourself, just realizing that, hey, you're not doing the best that you can, or you're not the best at what you want to be the best at right now. And I know it's a little bit frustrating, because you see, you almost compare yourself to other people. And you know, that's going to be one of the biggest downfalls of comparing yourself to other people that have already been doing what you're doing for years and years and years. And then you, like me, I've just started consistently doing YouTube for a year and photography for 1 year. I've had all this stuff for about 2 years, but honestly, putting in the work and the time, it's only been a year, honestly. So I just want to, you know, just kind of want to be true to, you suck right now, but without you being as bad as you are right now, you will be the worst that you will ever be. But if you keep with consistency and just honestly, it all just comes down consistency. If you are good enough, you will make it. Just like me, like I said, I don't feel like I'm anywhere right now with this YouTuber photography, but it'll all play out it all plays out in the background in the long run. This is a long-term game. Overall, if you keep going at it every day, just without stopping, and you think to yourself that if right now is the worst that you will ever be, then you can look forward to the next day, and then the next day, and the next day, where you will just improve even by a little bit. It's still really, really good improvement. So that's just a video that I want to make today right now, that if you do not suck, you will not improve. Just wanted to say that, make that little quick 5-minute video, just 5-minute Friday. And I just want to make this video for anybody out there that thinks that they're not gonna make it. Just keep putting in the time, keep putting in the effort, and just keep trying every day, little by little. Even if it's the smallest thing, just keep trying at your craft and just keep doing this. Like this, talking to the camera is scary. I understand it's scary as hell, and I just keep trying to just keep repetition on repetition. It's gonna play out in the long run, just like with photography as well, or anything that you want to do in life with your craft. But I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I crushed that 5-minute timer. If I didn't, I'm really sorry, but I just wanted to do a different video for you guys this week. If you are new, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, do everything, all that to help this channel out and grow. I'm at 52 subscribers right now, but I don't really care about the numbers. I just really like making these videos. To whoever watches it, honestly, nobody can watch it, and I'll still be making these videos. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.